Da-na-na, da-na-na, it's Spy School. Today's video is all about secret codes. How mysterious! We'll begin with this simple number code. So each letter of the alphabet is represented by a number. So the number 1 is the secret code for A, and so on down the alphabet, as you can see here.
Now, let's say you were at a secret rendezvous and someone slipped you this bird. This bird is giving you a secret message. So, to decode the bird's message, we're going to look for the number 8 on our coder here. So 8 is H. The next number is very close by, 9. 9 is I. So this message reads H-I. Let's decode it right here. H-I, which is hi. Oh, what a friendly bird. So if I want to respond back to whoever slipped me that bird, I'm going to use the Virginia rail here. So let's see, what should we say back? Let's say hey. So to say hey, our first letter is H, so we'll put 8. Our next letter is E, which is 5. And then Y is 25. So we can now slip this to our fellow spy.
Our next code is Pigpen. So this is a classic code, and I'm making the key for it right now, and I'll show you how to use the key to write and read secret messages. Each letter is represented by the lines and possibly dot surrounding it. So A is just this corner right here. So when I write A using this code, it looks like this. If I were to follow up that A with the letter P, let's see, I got the lines and the dots, so when I write it, it looks like that. Ooh, can you guess what I am writing? Probably, because I'm showing you by isolating the letters. There is L with its friendly dot, and then E. E's kind of tricky to show you, but you can see that it's basically, if we ignore everything else, just a box. A secret code!
Let's say you're at a secret meeting spot and someone slips you this bird. These 2 birds. So we have our secret code here. But luckily we also have our key. So we're looking for a square with a dot in it. That's a square without a dot. Here, a square with a dot. In. Now we're looking for that shape. We have it right there. So this bird is saying, no, get away from my fruit. So some excellent spy decoding. Now let's say we want to write a message back. Our spy connection said no, so we're gonna say, what are we gonna say? We're gonna say something short. We're gonna say, okay. We're gonna say okay. So we're gonna find our O. Got that, and then K is right up here. So again, remember, we're gonna ignore everything else. Ignore everything else, and it's just gonna look like that. Who's gonna speak? I think it's gonna be this little one. The speech bubble's going across the big bird's face. That's alright. We're gonna say, okay, message received.
Our final code is create your own code. So that is what I am doing here. I am writing out my key, and I'm using symbols. You can also use colors, drawings, numbers, whatever you would like for your code. And once you have this key, you can use it to send secret messages. And if you give a copy of your key to a fellow spy, they can use it to read your messages and send you messages back.
Alright, we're at our rendezvous spot and we get past this bird. It's the chipping sparrow. Now, let's see, we're going to decode. Let's see, that squiggle is here, H. And that is here, I. So we got hi. You already said that, bird. The bird is saying it again. Alright. So last time when a bird said hi, we said, hey. So now, what should we say? There's not even space on the back. We don't have a lot of room for this one. Let's maybe just do like one letter. Well, if bird's repeating ourselves, we're going to repeat ourselves too. We're going to just say K. K. Alright. We're going to use that symbol. A super secret message. It's of vital importance. We're going to say K. I hope you had fun. We'll see you next time on Spy School.